Presenting Honor Pad 5 with an 8-inch Full HD display in the color Glacial Blue. This tablet comes with Dolby Atmos surround sound technology that offers great music listening experience. The Pad 5 comes in two memory variants of 3GB of RAM with 32GB of internal storage and 4GB of RAM with 64GB of internal storage. The storage capacity can be expanded up to 512GB. The tablet has a single nano SIM card slot. The tablet features an 8-inch in-plane switching Full HD capacitive touchscreen that has a resolution of 1200 by 1920 pixels with a pixel density of 283 pixels per inch and 16.7 million color support. The tablet offers a great viewing experience. The Pad 5 supports AI face unlocking for enhanced security. The Honor Pad 5 comes with an 8-megapixel rear camera and an 8-megapixel front camera to capture high-quality images. The tablet is powered by the Kirin octa-core processor. It supports 4G LTE, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. The 5100 mAh lithium polymer battery offers users a full day of power. The box includes tablet, charger, USB cable, eject pin, warranty card and quick start guide. You can avail 1 year of manufacturer warranty for the device and 6 months warranty for the in-box accessories. For EMI options, refer to the product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.